DIY Guide: The Minimalist Container Home. Prioritize the high cube container. If you are DIYing a minimalist space, every inch of vertical room matters. The tip: always source a 9.6 high cube container instead of the standard 8.6 height. Why? Once you add floor framing and ceiling insulation, a standard container can feel claustrophobic. The extra foot of height allows for overhead storage, ceiling fans, and a much airier minimalist feel without increasing the footprint. Master the cut and frame rule. In a DIY scenario, the biggest mistake is cutting steel before you have your reinforcement ready. The tip: never leave a container wall open overnight. As soon as you cut an opening for a window, weld your steel tube frame immediately. Why? Containers rely on the tension of their corrugated walls. If you cut a large hole without immediate framing, the roof can sag slightly, making it nearly impossible to fit your window or door later. The innie versus outie insulation strategy. For a minimalist look, you have to decide if you want to see the industrial ribs of the container. The tip: if you love the metal look, insulate the exterior and clad it with wood or siding. If you want a traditional interior, insulate the interior. DIY hack: use InSoFast panels. They are DIY-friendly EPS foam panels that glue directly to the container ribs, providing insulation and built-in studs for drywall in one step, saving you days of framing work. Simplify the utility core. Minimalism isn't just about the look, it's about the systems. The tip: group all your plumbing against one single wall or in one corner. Why? This is known as a wet wall. By keeping all pipes in one area, you minimize the number of holes you have to cut, reducing the risk of leaks and making the plumbing DIY manageable. Embrace multifunctional raw finishes. To keep costs down and the aesthetic clean, let the materials do the work. The tip: use the original marine-grade plywood floor. Sand it down, fill the cracks, and seal it with a high-quality epoxy. Why? It is incredibly durable and looks like high-end hardwood. It saves you cost and labor while honoring the transformed nature of the home. Start your journey today and build a space that truly reflects a minimalist lifestyle.